morning everyone, welcome back to Wobbleboxadventures. Okay?
Yeah.
Today we're off to Birmingham Christmas Market. So we're having a coach trip and we're leaving, it's going to be about 8 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to jump on the bus, go up to Birmingham and have a nose about and see what's up at this Christmas market. It opened yesterday for the first day, so we're going on the second day, and I think the girls are looking forward to going to see this big super Primark with Disney in the centre of it.
Yeah.
You looking forward to it?
Yeah.
It's a bit early, isn't it?
I think Paige is excited.
Paige is excited, big sister, yeah? Right, okay guys, we'll make our way up there. See you in a bit. So guys, it's a wet one. We've just got the Christmas market now. It's like the bar and the restaurant. Up into the main street. This is the bull ring. So the famous bull. Say hi everyone. Hiya. Come on in. Good boy. So we're just going to go into the entrance this way. Follow me into the entrance to the Christmas market now, just down by here. Riley, what have we got? Captain America.
Are you going to put in somebody's bag?
Where you going? So, if you know Paige, Riley's big sister, she likes her Primark. And this Primark's a little bit special because it's got Disney inside. And she's off. Release the beast. Yeah, this is now where we need Apple A tag, is it? So we can keep an eye on her where she's going to go. So guys, in Primark Birmingham, they have a Disney cafe. We're going to see if we can get in there now. So now we're downstairs in Greg's in Primark. Crazy. So we've come up here on a bus trip or coach trip today, so we've got about 4.5 to 5 hours to have a look around Birmingham. We've been up and had a look around the Christmas market, and the girls wanted to come and see this quite famous Primark in Birmingham. So yeah, it's been quite a good day so far. Weather's been up and down a little bit, but yeah, we've dodged the showers a bit, so it's been good. So I think we definitely go and have a look at a few more of these Christmas stores and German markets. They've been pretty good so far. So, right, let's go and have a look around. And over by there is the famous bullring building with the like discs all around it. Really mad how you got like the retro buildings and the bistros and everything by here, and then the old church right in the middle. So this is the bullring rag market that we're in. Just having a quick nose around. Loads of little stores like the old days when we used to go to the markets. So Riley and Tom is up there on the other floor. So we're just waiting for the bus now, and then we're going to make our way home. So upstairs now, just waiting for the bus to come. Just use the amenities. And it's quite a mad place, this place. Big glass roof. Looking around, all modern shops and stuff going on. We'll go down the escalator and back out. So guys, that was Birmingham Christmas Market. The end of our kind of review of it then. It wasn't as good as Bristol. It was a good day out. I didn't have to drive. We had a coach trip up there which was really tidy. So it was nice to just be able to look out and have a look around instead of me driving all the time. The market itself, I thought it was very monotonous. It was like as though there was a prestige stock that they had to sell, and all of the stores were selling the same stuff. Whereas when I went to Bristol last year, there was a lot of little stores, like woodwork stores, and lots of little knicky-knack stores that sold a lot more different items. Then every store at Birmingham seemed to sell the same item. I would go again. The atmosphere and everything was good. Again, saying about the atmosphere, there was no Christmas music going. There was people quite jolly and merry and enjoying it, and festive times are coming now and everyone's enjoying that, but it really wasn't Christmassy. Shops and the mall and the bullring and everything, 100%. Yeah, we're definitely going to go back there. I think we're going to probably do a shopping video next and just go up and have a look around all the stores. We did go down to the markets down the bottom as well, just to make the day up and try and have a look as much as we possibly could. But if I was going to choose the two at the moment, I would say Bristol Christmas Market. Parking's quite good, and there's a lot more different stalls at Bristol. Well, last year there was anyway, so we're going to go to Bristol again this year. Now you've kind of convinced us to go and compare the two again, so we're going to go over to Bristol, so that'll be the next vlog probably coming out. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, hit the subscribe, we really do appreciate it. It just helps our channel grow, and bit by bit I'd love to say thank you to all our new subscribers. We've really increased over the last couple of months. Blown away that you enjoy our videos, and we'll keep them coming as much as we can. With the winter months coming, does kind of limit what we can video, but we'll try our best to get some good stuff out over Christmas for you, and keep you entertained. Again, thanks for watching, really appreciate it. If you haven't already, drop us a comment, let us know what you think, tell us the best ones to go to. If you've been to Christmas markets and you think we ought to go abroad to Germany next year, I know my daughter wants to, then let us know, tell us what we're missing. Thanks a lot guys, take it easy, stay safe.